Hi. In this video we are going to see some basics regarding rigging in Blender. Of course, delete the default cube. Make sure the Rigify add-on is turned on. Add armature, select human, then basic human meta rig. To make this figure walking we need to play with the leg bones. Switch to pose mode. We do not need to see the arms outstretched, so let's rotate them towards the body. Type I to define the initial position of the model. Select one whole leg and rotate it a bit. Then choose the lower part and rotate it towards the body. Type I, choose rotation and location. Move the body along Y-axis. Rotate both legs, so they close like a triangle figure. Type I, choose rotation and location. Then go to another frame in the timeline. Without moving the body, rotate the legs so they look like the second position of the movement, but this way the opposite leg is in the air. Type I, choose rotation and location. Repeat the triangle with opposite legs positions. Type I, choose rotation and location, then make the figure standing. Type I, choose rotation. Click play. Thanks for watching.